Hey Green PC Gamers, in this video we are going to show you how to install 256 gig of memory into a Precision T3610 workstation. This install isn't catered towards gamers because we typically only use 12 to 24 gig of memory when gaming. However, it could be helpful for CAD users, video editors, or anybody running a virtualization sandbox. So stick around if you're curious and we'll show you our install. The Precision T3610 spec page on Dell.com posts that the T3610 maxes out at 128 gig of memory. We are about to prove that wrong. There are some prerequisites that you should be aware of before trying to emulate this install. First, you must have a 64-bit operating system installed to utilize all 256 gig of memory. Second, you must have a 685 watt or better power supply installed. We have stars on the third and fourth prerequisites because there might be some unknown exceptions to them. However, we wanted to share with you what worked for us. We recommend using an Intel E5 2600 series V1 or V2 processor, mainly because on our first install with the 8x32 gig modules, we had an E5 1620 V2 processor installed and we could not get video. However, we got video right away after installing an E5 2630 V2 processor. Also, we updated our BIOS version to A19 prior to doing the memory upgrade. It's very possible that you could be successful with this install with an older BIOS version. Also, you can check your power supply wattage by looking at the back of the chassis by the power connection. These are the 8x32 gig modules that we are going to install. They are 32 gig quad rank PC 1600 MHz modules. We'll post the links to these modules in a Precision T3610 hardware upgrade guide in the description of this video. Now we are going to show you how to access and install the memory modules. Now that we have the modules installed, we are going to go into the F2 setup and post to see if the BIOS recognizes the newly installed memory modules. Next, we are going to boot into Windows 10 to make sure the operating system is recognizing the memory as well. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing to the channel, and thank you so much for watching.